In this tutorial, we'll walk through creating a visual process to load previously backed up cube data from a CSV file into a target scenario. We start by creating a new process and giving it a descriptive name. Once we click OK, we will be taken to our new visual process. First, we'll add a CSV reader node. This reads each row from our CSV backup file into a map of column headers and their corresponding values. Let's enter in our file name of the CSV file to load. We can even preview the file. Here we can see all of our elements, along with the value for each cube location. Next, we'll add a cube update node. This will take the row data from the CSV reader and write it into the cube. We'll specify the cube name we want to update, and then provide the value key. In this case, the header name of the value column in the CSV file. In this example, we want the user to choose which scenario the data should load into when the process runs. To do this, we'll create an argument called scenario. Click the Add Argument button, then give it a name, display label, and description, and optionally set a default value. We'll then drag the scenario argument into the process where it's needed. Now, we'll insert a map add to node. We'll use this to add the user-defined scenario to each row of CSV data. We'll add a new key, named scenario, then connect the scenario argument into its value. Then, we'll connect the row data from the CSV reader to the map port of this node, and the result into the cube update node. With our data paths set, we'll now wire up the execution flow. First, run the CSV reader. For each row, connect the process row port to the map add to node. Then, link the output of that to the cube update node. With all parameters configured, our process is ready to go. When we run it, it will read the CSV backup file, attach the chosen scenario to each row, and update the cube automatically.